The idea of taking a guy who you would never imagine as a cowboy and then throwing him into the West has long been fertile ground for comedy. It wasn't new when Buster Keaton did it in 1925, and it's been done many times since. The Marx Brothers did it in their 1940 comedy, also called Go West. W.C. Fields did it also in 1940 in his comedy, My Little Chickadee. Laurel Hardy's 1937 comedy, Way Out West, also follows the storyline, as does Bob Hope's 1948 comedy, The Pale-Faced, and its sequel, Son of Pale-Face. And don't forget City Slickers from 1991 with Billy Crystal. Up next, another fish-out-of-water tale, but this one is set in Australia, and it's no comedy. It's a powerful and masterfully shot drama from British director Nicholas Roeg. It's next on this week's edition of the TCM Import.
Tonight on TCM Imports, cultures clash in director Nicholas Roeg's masterpiece, Walkabout. Then a small town's economy is more than just a wreck in the cars that aid Paris. And birthday boy Robert Ryan hops aboard the Berlin Express.